PicoScopes have a big advantage over many of its competitors in the form of built-in memory. This allows you to store hundreds of triggered waveforms and browse through them using the Waveform Navigator. Setting the amount of waveforms to store is as simple as clicking the waveform lozenge and changing the max waveforms. Once the buffer is full, it will overwrite the oldest waveforms captured, or you can use actions to stop capturing any more waveforms. If you have masks created to find errors in your signal, you can filter them in the Waveform Navigator to show the failed captures or even just the past captures. If you want the Waveform Navigator to view each individual pulse, try switching to rapid triggering, which will capture a specified amount of waveforms before processing them without missing a pulse. Then display all of the captures within the Waveform Navigator. So download PicoScope 7 in the link below and test the possibilities using the built-in signal generator.